Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be looking into this, which is how to run multiple Dropbox accounts simultaneously in Windows. So here's a quick guide for that. So use the Dropbox desktop app for your main account and download and install Dropbox from the Dropbox website and sign in with your primary account as usual. So the next thing to do is to open the second account in a browser. So go to dropbox.com in your browser and log in with your second account, which is the second Dropbox account, and this lets you access both accounts at once. So one's in the app and one's in the browser. So next thing to do is to use the Dropbox folder sharing, which is very optional. So if you want to sync files between accounts, share a folder from one account to the other. Then in the first account, create a folder and click share to invite and enter the email of your second account. So accept the invite from the second account and add a second account using window profile, which is the advanced option. So if you prefer separate desktop synchronization for both accounts, create a new window user profile, then log into the profile and install the Dropbox again. So sign in with your second account, then you can now switch between user profile to manage both Dropbox accounts indefinitely, and that's how you can easily run multiple Dropbox accounts simultaneously in Windows. Hope you find the video helpful. Hit the notification button and subscribe for more.